Self-maintenance isn't selfish, it's essential. You just can't pour from an empty cup. If you're in my area, you know things are crazy right now. The bridal alterations rush has been nonstop since mid-January, and I'm guessing many of you are in the same boat. We're pinning, we're stitching, steaming, and fitting dress after dress after dress. Our days are long, our calendars are filled, and our bodies are aching. Oh, yes. Just like our machines need regular maintenance to work properly, so do our bodies and our brains. You can't run at full speed indefinitely without breaking down. I know, when you're buried in work, self care feels like a luxury you just can't afford. But here's the truth, you can't afford not to take care of yourself. Now, many years ago, my neck, shoulders, and wrist were screaming at me. The repetitive motions of our work, hunching over dresses, hand sewing for hours, reaching for pins, operating foot pedals, they take a serious toll. And some of those dresses are really, really heavy. I realized I needed help. And enter Estelle Rhodes. Estelle is an occupational therapist and a yoga instructor, and she specializes in working with musicians. Well, why musicians? Because, like us, they deal with repetitive strain on their shoulders, neck, arms, backs, wrists, and fingers. I hired Estelle to create a yoga routine specifically for bridal alteration specialists. She asked detailed questions about our work. How do we sit? What repetitive motions do we make? Where does the tension build? Then she designed a targeted routine just for us. The result is the most wonderful yoga routine. It's broke down into 4 parts. First, the warm up that we should do every time before we start sewing for the day. Part 1, 2, and 3 are for different areas that are focused, and those are for after the end of the day. These aren't generic yoga videos. This is targeted relief for the specific ways our bodies suffer from alteration work. You can't work at your best. When you're exhausted, you make mistakes. When you're burned out, you lose the joy that made you love the work in the first place. Taking 15 minutes to warm up before sewing or stretching after a long day isn't selfish, it's just essential maintenance. Your machine gets regular care, and so should you. You wouldn't run your sewing machine without oil, cleaning, or maintenance. You know it would break down. Your body's no different. During the busy season, especially, self maintenance comes even more critical. The busier you are, the more you need to protect your physical and your mental health. Now, let's see what self maintenance looks like. First of all, stretching before and after sewing sessions, taking real breaks, not just scrolling on your phone while sitting. That will melt your brain. Staying hydrated, getting enough sleep. I know it's easier said than done in the middle of our rush season. I get it. I know this. Moving your body regularly and saying no when you're at capacity. Okay, can I say that again? Saying no when you're at capacity or just a little under capacity is even better for your mental health. That would be great. You can't pour from an empty cup. I know you want to serve every bride beautifully. I know you take pride in your work. I know you feel pressure to say yes to every project. But if you don't maintain yourself, you won't be able to serve anyone, including yourself. This busy season will pass. The question is, how will you feel when it's over? Accomplished and energized, or depleted and broken down? So make the choice. Maintenance is not optional. It is how you sustain a long, successful career in this very physically and mentally demanding work. Take care of your body and take care of your mind. Take breaks, stretch, rest when you need to. You deserve to thrive in this career, not just survive. So remember to take care of yourself. Bye bye. Oh, one more thing. You can find the yoga classes on my Academy website. Go to theandersonacademy.com and yoga is up there on the menu. It's free. You can do it every day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.